Spliff Beats.
Hello beautiful people, my name is Elsa. Welcome to my channel, Elsa Loves. If you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe. I do a little bit of everything. Mainly my dog, my cat, building.
Spliff
Today,
Beats.
what you are going to see is me build something for my cat. So I found this at a very popular retail store, and I decided to go ahead and get it for my cat. I'll put a picture here of my cat if you don't know what she looks like. But my cat Lily historically likes boxes. So typically she likes the toy box instead of the toy. It's a whole thing. I'm like, you're just spoiled at this point. So this is a box. It's festive. I'm hoping that she likes it. So I'm gonna build it and I'm gonna get her reaction and see what she thinks. Also, if you did not know, I'm posting every day until Halloween. My birthday's on the 30th, so please stay tuned. Please like, comment, subscribe, show so much love to the video so that way, you know, you show love, I get more support through the algorithm and whatnot. Yeah, so stay tuned. So I'm gonna start building this. I feel like it should be pretty simple, but we'll see what it looks like. My cat is currently sleeping, so there's that part. I feel like Mello would like this box. He would also like her toy because he's been taking all of her toys, which she's not a fan of. All right, so it comes with a lot of things. What do you think, Mello? Oh, we can't see you on the camera. Come here, touch. There you go. So some orange pieces. He's scared of it. There's the little clock. This is actually really cute. The decorative pieces here. Instructions. If you watched my videos, you know I don't read instructions. So this time I am gonna read instructions. Because historically that has not played out well for me. Mello's already digging in. There's this part, which looks like the front. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cute. This is a good size. Mel, can you fit through here? Look at Mello. Come here. Okay, he's not gonna do it. What is this? Okay, this looks like majority of it. This is a good size. Oh my gosh, she's gonna love this. This is pretty big. Mello's big. Hey man. Hey, sir. Excuse me, sir. Okay, this is going to be epic. She's going to love this. So if you own a cat, if you have a cat, you know they love scratching on this thing. I can't wait to see her reaction. So what are you planning for Halloween? Comment down below if you celebrate Halloween. Backstory, or a funny story from today. I have a new student. I'm a teacher, if you don't know. I have a new student. He started off today and he was like on 1,000 in terms of his personality. He's like, I'm here and I'm gonna show you who I am. So he goes and says, Miss, you know, are you gay? You know that's against what God believes. You're gonna go to hell. I'm like, okay, that's okay for you to have that opinion. I'm going to have my own opinions and live my own way, and that's okay too. So I think I really try to combat homophobia with logic. Or just like empathy. I don't think it's one, they're 10. Two, I don't think that they need to be like scrutinized for it. All right, so, whoa, there's already a piece missing. Got it. Okay, so there's these little seals on here. You see the white strips, those are seals.
All right, remove the protective film from double-sided tape of back panel.
This is what the directions look like. There are pictures.
Spliff Beats.
looks good. All right, let's see. Step 2. Reinforce connections by placing clear stickers. Okay, cool. We got the clear stickers over the tabs. Perfect. I was gonna say, we're gonna need some reinforcement. And these are a little clear. You can't even see them. Clear stickers. They feel pretty strong. They're thicker than the double-sided tape. Also, if my cat fell off of this, I will be writing a letter. I do know why I don't like reading directions. One, I get so bored of them and I'm like, I'll figure it out. Feels like it slows down my process, but what really slows down my process is the amount of time I take trying to make up for not using said directions. Not gonna lie, that doesn't feel sturdy. That side's a little broken. We gotta fix that. Don't worry, it'll be perfect. Okay, honestly, I'm pretty excited about this. Now you're gonna get Lily's reaction. So let's see what Lily says in a moment. Mello, don't touch your sisters. Okay, cool. Hey, Mello, got some important words up here. All right. There we go. Hey, Mello. All right, Mello. So we're gonna get your sister. You're gonna let your sister play with this toy, not you, okay? Let's see how this goes. Okay, so I have the baby. Let's see what she thinks about this. All right, so she's scoping it out. Her brother's very excited for her. Okay, what do you think, Lily? Yeah? I think, oh, she's bored. Granted, I just took her off the bed. Mellow, leave your sister alone. Let's see. Lily, what do you think, Mama? What do you think? You like it? Okay, clearly Lily is a fan. Lily, Mama, say bye to the people. They missed you. They were asking about you. Lily still as gorgeous as ever.